In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eSignatures in GoHighLevel. This process will help you streamline your operations and provide an efficient way to handle documents that require signatures. Let's get started step by step. First, navigate to the GoHighLevel dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the necessary features. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. The Sites section is your gateway to create and manage various forms and pages. Now within the Sites section, you'll find a tab for Forms. Click on it to access the area where you can build and edit forms. Forms are crucial as they contain the fields that your clients will fill out, including spaces for e-signatures. Next, find the button that says Create Form. Click on it to begin designing your new form. You'll be guided to a new section where a blank canvas will await your input. Once you're in the form creation area, go ahead and click on the Create button, which will enable you to start building your form from scratch. You'll want to pay attention now as you start building the form. Click on the areas marked Highlight. This will give you the ability to emphasize fields or instructions that are particularly important to users. In this context, highlight refers to making certain sections stand out on your form. You might find yourself clicking on various highlight options to ensure your form looks the best it can. As you build your form, ensure that you type in the necessary instructions or highlights in the highlighted fields. This will guide your users through the process more effectively. The aim is to make sure your users have a clear understanding of what information they need to provide. Once your form is properly highlighted and the instructions are clear, proceed to the section labeled Email. Clicking on this section allows you to incorporate fields where users will input their email addresses. It's critical to include this area, as emails often serve as key identifiers and a way to send out the forms for signature. Continue to click through any remaining highlighted options necessary to refine your form further. Make sure every important section you want the user to focus on is adequately emphasized. Finally, once you have everything set up to your satisfaction, locate the Save button and click on it. Saving ensures that all your changes and settings are preserved, and your form is ready for use. It's a good practice to double check and ensure that every important area is highlighted and that the form captures all the information needed. And there you have it. You've just set up eSignatures in GoHighLevel. With these forms, collecting signatures digitally becomes a seamless part of your workflow, boosting efficiency and convenience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to revisit these steps or consult GoHighLevel's support for more help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.